Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and to those who are new, welcome. I'm glad to have you on here. Hope you subscribe to stay updated with my latest videos. Don't forget to hit the notification button to get updates of when I upload. So today I will be doing a lookbook, a back to school lookbook to inspire many of you that are going back to school, whether it be college or high school. So I hope you enjoy. Well, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed this back to school lookbook and that you get inspired to create or make your own comfortable yet stylish outfits. Right, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for more videos like this. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and until next time, bye.